news, my lovely, wonderful people. The cat is out of the bag. Ha, mama. I can't believe it, my people. You won't believe it. The U.S. Certificate issue regarding Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu is out. So, U.S. court has justification that Atiku request for Tinubu's record at Chicago State University says the PDP chieftain has met all the requirements, and so the result is out. And we don't know what else will follow, because more and more and more is going to be released in account of this. Please don't forget to give us thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Thank you. Atiku is asking the court to compel Chicago State University, CSU, to produce the academic record of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The United States District Court for the Northern District of Illinois, Eastern Division, has said it has the power to sit over the case instigated by the People Democratic Party presidential candidate in the 2023 election, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. Atiku is seeking the court to compel Chicago State University to produce the academic record of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. According to the court document, the court established that it has jurisdiction over the matter under U.S. law, which authorizes any interested person to request that a United States District Court. The court has said it has found all necessary requirements met by the interested person to request that the United States District Court order the discovery of documents and testimony for the use in the foreign proceedings for the person who resides at or found within its district. The court therefore holds that Atiku satisfies all statutory requirements as he is an interested person, and the response, CSU, that is the Chicago State University, is a public university established and existing under the law of Illinois, with its principal campus and offices in Chicago. It said it would not hesitate to grant the prayer of Atiku. Nigerian's president Bola Ahmed Tinubu ran for president on the platform of the All Progressive Congress on February 25th, 2023. In November 2022, several months before the presidential election, an Abuja-based lawyer, Mr. Mike Enioho, sued Atiku over alleged certificate forgery, age falsification, and lying under oath. Aloho, in 3 separate direct criminal complaints filed at the Chief Magistrate Court in Waziri Zone 6, Abuja, alleged that Tinubu supplied false information as well as provided forged documents regarding his education and information to Form EC9 submitted to the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) on June the 17th, 2022, and so it's requesting that all be met. On June 17, 2022, aid his qualification for the presidential election. He initiated proceedings against Tinubu by filing a district criminal complaint in the Magistrate Court of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT. Mr. Eloho alleged in his complaint that Mr. Tinubu submitted an affidavit of personal particulars to INEC in June 2022 as part of his required filing to run for president, which includes an alleged false CSU diplomat date June the 22nd, 1979, and other information inconsistencies with the CUS document. Mr. Eloho stated that after Tinubu made his INEC filing, Mr. Eloho obtained a request from the Secular Court of Cook County dated August 11, 2022, and served it to CSU. According to the papers filed by Atiku in the U.S. court on August 2nd, 2023, to look at the issue. In response to the subsequent request, the registrar, Mr. Kabi Westbreed, wrote to Mr. Eloho through Chicago's lawyer, Mr. Matthew J. Colors, on September 22nd, 2022, informing Mr. Noyes that the enclosed document is all the record we have about Bola E. Tinubu. According to the complaint, the document that accompanied Mr. Westbury's letter include a CSU diploma issued to Mr. Tinubu on June the 27th, 1979, and June the 27th diploma allegedly produced by CUP to Mr. Colois, and the June diploma submitted to Mr. Tinubu submitted to INEC are two different documents. In addition to the different dates, the documents have different sets, format, and language. The June 22nd diploma, grammar error, and the June 27th diploma does not have. So there were two different diploma for two different dates. So he has met all the necessary requirements. By contrast, the June 27 diploma only has two signatures. The purpose to be signed by Dr. Daniel. Again, as the president of CSU and Dr. Nava Labi as the chairperson of the Board of Trustees compare. In his complaint, Mr. Elonho ascertained that the 27th diploma produced by CSU to Mr. Colos is authenticated, and that of the 22nd diploma submitted by Mr. Tinubu to INEC is a forged one. However, applicant staff have necessarily conducted further research into the name of CSU officers with eligibility signature to the two diplomas. Dr. Daniel, whose signatures appear on both 27th and 22nd diploma, and Dr. Leby, whose signatures appear on only June 27th diploma. The report noted that, according to public record, Dr. Daniel and Dr. Leby did not join CSU until late 1990s, around 2 decades after CSU supposedly awarded the June 22nd diploma or the June 27 diploma to Mr. Tinubu. As a result, the applicant questions the legitimacy of both the June 22nd and June 27th diploma. Mr. Lawyer says in his lawsuit that there were more discrepancies between the information provided by Tinubu to INEC and the record provided by CSU to Mr. Eloy. According to the document produced by CSU, the Bola Tinubu that attended CSU was a U.S. citizen. While the information provided to INEC, Mr. Tinubu states that he was already being solely a Nigerian citizen and has never acquired the citizenship of any other country. According to the document produced by CSU, Bola Tinubu, who attended CSU, was born in 1954, while according to the information provided to INEC, Mr. Bola Tinubu was born in 1952. According to the document produced by CSU, Mr. Bola, who applied for CSU, submitted a pro transcript for Southwest College that identified Bola Tinubu as female. According to the document produced by CSU, the Bola Tinubu who attended CSU claimed that she had graduated from Government College, Lagos in 1970. While the information provided to INEC, Mr. Tinubu made no mention of having attended Government College. In light of the forgery, Mr. Atiku petitioned the court for an order granting him leave to compare CSU to reveal and verify the authenticity of document reported granted to Tinubu by the university. On August the 16th, the People's Glacier reported a U.S. court has set August the 23rd as a deadline for Tinubu to present persuasive argument as to why Chicago State University should not be ordered to release his academic record to Atiku Abubakar, his rival in the February 25th presidential election in Nigeria. The deadline, which is contained in court filing same by People Glazier, was imposed on August the 9th by Jeffrey Gibbart, the new magistrate judge assigned to the case at the U.S. District Illinois for the North District of Illinois in Chicago. My people, the matter is serious. May we continue now. Documents signed by Atiku through the council includes a record of his academic and acceptance at the university, date of attendance, including the degree awarded and the honors attained by Tinubu at the university. This is what Atiku is requesting. Atiku informed the court that Tinubu was to test the truth of eventuality if Tinubu really got what he said he got. Nigerian president is facing various court proceedings concerning his election and the authenticity of his document relating to the attendance of the Chicago State University. But Bola Tinubu has filed a motion to prevent the school from disclosing his academic record. Tinubu counsel Mr. Victor P. asked the court to strike out the case, but the judge says now Atiku has been granted the permission because Tinubu could not meet the requirements. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Bye for now. Let's hear what you think.